Hello guys, I'm going to have this video posted today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder, how to cut, how to copy to your folder you created. That's what I'll be showing you today. Let's go there. A folder in a computer is a storage space or container used to organize and group files together. What does this mean? We use folder to organize files together. Imagine if I create a folder like this. I can be able to highlight everything and organize it to one folder instead of being scattering like this. A folder can be created on a screen of a system which is called desktop. And a folder can be created on a document. It can be created on download. Let's go to library. Then you click your Windows Explorer. All these things you are seeing is a library where you can find your download, document, picture, capture, music, video, and other things. So first of all, this is a folder. All these ones you see in the brand color, they are called folder. All these ones are folders. But anyone you see like document like this, is a file. Anyone you see like this is a file. You cannot call this a folder, it's a file. You cannot call this a folder, it's a file. So if I want to organize them in a folder now, I have to create my folder. How do I create my folder? First of all, I have to create my folder in a place like this, which is my document. Because a document organizes both folder and file. Let me create my folder on a document. As you can see, you see folders and you still see file also. But let me create another folder added to the one that is here. And then I show you how to copy those things those things I talk about into the folder. Then first of all, how do you create your folder? You make a right click. You go to new. From new, you click your folders. Folder is being created. So I can decide to name my folder Vera. I press enter. You look at what comes up. This shows that Vera is existing somewhere before. So if I'm creating a folder that has the same name, I have to change I have to change another name. So I can decide to name my folder Vera folder. Then I press my enter. Sorry, when you highlight your file or you click your file, you drag to the place. That means you did this means cut. This means cut and paste. Exactly like this. Exactly like this. Then I come here, I click, I paste. This pattern and the drag is the same thing. It's the same thing. So if I want to copy my work, I could just only highlight this way. Then I make my right click and copy. I'm going to paste it. I click here, I paste it on Vera. Copy and paste means you are going to have duplicates. One here, one at outside, one here and one here. So you are having two. But if you cut, you are not having two. You are having only one inside that Vera. If you are dragging also, you are having one inside that Vera. So that is how to create file and copy and paste with cut and paste. You can decide to create it on the desktop here. This is your desktop. Then I go to new folder. I have folder here. I can save. This time around, I have to change the Vera name so that it cannot ask me to replace. Then I can say folder V. This is what I have. So I've created a folder here now. If I double click on it to open, the folder is empty. If I decided to put something inside the folder, then I have to copy something from anywhere here. Let me copy this. I drag to it. This dragging means cut. Then if I don't want to drag, I want to have duplicate here and there, I'll just copy here and paste here. I've copied here and paste here. I'm having here, I'm having here. But if I drag it, I'm only going to have here instead of having it in two places. So that is the technique of copy and paste and cut and paste. Thank you for watching. Please stick your hand on that subscribe and subscribe my channel.